Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are downsizing. Yes, we are downsizing. We are heading to a place that we haven't been for a long time. It's been long overdue. We're going back to the JP shop in Chester Springs. We'll see you guys there when you see what we got going on. Secret's out. We are downsizing the beast to a Jeep Gladiator. Yep. Fortunately, it's a great platform. It's a Jeep truck. I mean, you can't go wrong with a Jeep truck. It's smaller and it's a truck, and it's got the off-roading capability. We can't leave it stock. We're gonna have to put some goodies on it. I broke the news to him. I'm downsizing to a Jeep Gladiator.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
right.
Downsizing.
I'm sure. You found it.
Oh man. Yo, I know. I've been missing in action. But seriously, guys, I am not downsizing. I'm not getting rid of the beast. Customer brought in their brand new Jeep Gladiator for some goodies at the JP shop, and we're gonna show you. That's great. So the Gladiators have a different rake than a regular JL.
It's only an inch and a half.
What is it? Inch and a half difference?
Yeah.
This thing's different, man. I don't know. I don't know what I think about this thing. It's definitely different, guys, for sure. So they're doing a 2.5 inch level on this, and I don't know the specs on the wheels yet, but we'll have that for you shortly. But this thing is definitely. Is this a Jeff D'Ambrosio?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. Cool.
They brought it last night.
The dealer did, or the customer?
The customer did, straight from Jeff D'Ambrosio.
That's awesome. Yeah.
How many miles are on it?
32 miles. Break it down right away. Don't waste any time. I come out to the shop and I see this JK that is ridiculous, rolling on 40s. Look at this thing. And it's supercharged.
I think so. Let's check another.
We gotta pop the hood. This thing is bad ass. What? Yeah, it's got a rip. Boom. Rip charger. Here's your intercooler. I think this thing is nice. This thing is badass. What kind of lift is he running?
Yes,
of course.
Yeah.
6.5 long arm Falcon shocks, air Falcon shocks that are electronically controlled from the inside. See the air tube a lot better in the rear, and it just hooks up to the normal air compressor that's up and over there. Control how hard or how soft you want it to ride. So that switch right there that's lit up, that's the switch that you can push it and it'll go hard or softer.
Wow.
But it's got air lines running from all the way up there and then all the way to the back. We just put a Dana 60 in it too. Full axle swap.
GT2 ring and pinion. Yeah.
With a 538 gear ratio.
What? Well, I mean, he is running 40s.
Yeah, we have to re-gear the front once everything's all fine-tuned, so then you can use it again.
Wow.
We've also got these crazy Terraflex tires that air down with a switch that's already in there.
What?
Right here, you literally just open it, and it's even got a little cover. It's sealed and everything. It's got its own O-ring, and then you've just got the normal valve stem in there.
Oh, that's cool.
So they're pretty much really watertight. You're not really gonna have too many issues with these.
He's definitely going to be turning heads on the road, and he actually uses this thing, which is even better.
And it's got front and rear air lockers. We've got the whole S-Pod switch up there with a boost gauge in there too, so this guy's set to do whatever he wants with it.
All right, you ready to talk about this Renegade?
Yeah, this is real nice Renegade. Renegade.
All right, Tracy, what are we installing today? This is a 2.5 inch, right?
No, yes,
Yep.
It's a leveling kit. So it's a 2.5 inch rough country leveling kit. Gonna look a lot better than
stock.
Yeah.
Yes,
100%.
for sure.
Yes.
100%.
All
All right.
Let's get this done.
So new. Everything's new underneath here. Let's see what it looks like underneath here, guys. Now I've seen some of the custom conversion kits, and the exhausts on those were kind of goofy. You know what's funny, dude? Isn't the exhaust supposed to come out past the body line for inspection standards?
Yeah. It kind of just dumps off.
Yeah, it just dumps. A little update. He's got the spacers installed, bump stops, and now he's installing the shock extensions
Trying to, at least.
on this 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit. So you can fit massive 35-inch tires on this Gladiator JL from Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group, Downingtown, Pennsylvania. All right, guys, a little update on the lift, or the leveling kit rather. Shocks are all bolted in, everything's tightened. New sway bar links, longer sway bar links are installed. And we're pretty much done.
Yeah.
Pretty much it.
They give you new sway bar links compared to the old ones, because these ones are a heck of a lot shorter.
They're inner bitters. Now it's time for wheels and tires and alignment.
The easiest thing for your bump stop extensions is, depending on the vehicle, you can tap the hole, or you can, some lifts come with an actual tool that comes up and goes up into it, so it's a lot easier to tap that or do that. Or for the passenger side, it's a lot easier to take out this brake line bracket with this 10 mil, and then you can pull it out and you can fit your hand up there compared to the front.
Other than that, guys, I mean, pretty basic, simple installation. All right, we'll show them.
You can't give them like a little sneak peek.
All right, we'll
just
give,
the unboxing.
we'll give them a sneak peek. Oh, no. I think that's good enough right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
We'll just install them just like this.
Yep. We'll show them. Ooh, wow. Black Rhino. It's like a new upcoming brand. Seeing these more and more of these lately.
We've been doing more Rhino wheels more and more lately. We've actually, I can think of a few Jeeps off the top of my head where we've done some nice looking Rhinos. They do good work. I like some of their wheels more than Fuel actually.
I actually like that. It's like a bronze on this. It's pretty
Yeah,
cool.
the two-tone.
Yeah. I You got your matte black and your bronze. So these are 20 by 9s with a -12 offset. Right? Legit beast.
Feels tired.
I know, it's ridiculous. 40-inch. Very cool. Well, you're already short to begin with, so I mean. This customer has opted for the Nitto Ridge grapplers. My favorite, the hybrid tire. Nice and quiet.
35 by 12 and a half.
35 by 12 and a half. And now what sidewall is he going to opt for?
What sidewall are we going for?
Whichever one's more aggressive.
Okay, I like it.
I think it's the other one.
That's the more aggressive one. So.
Yes.
Tracy, how's it feel to have your boss and your dad, well, both bosses,
All right.
go over your work?
I don't know. It's nerve-wracking.
One thing Keith just did, because he didn't like the tension on the brake lines, he just pried this down a little bit, this bracket, give it a little bit more slack.
No slackers here.
No slackers. These guys are getting ready to do the gear swap in that beast. Look at those axle shafts. These beast, man. He did not skimp out at all in his build. He's got bare brakes. Oh yeah, that's the new thing now. They're doing Hellcat swaps in JLs.
He's talking about it.
What? Awesome. You guys already did a LS swap in one.
Yeah.
These guys, sway bar disconnects, JKS. They're greasable too, right? No? Yeah, that's awesome. And he really did not skimp out at all. The truck is done, lifts installed, wheels are mounted balanced on the truck Jeep, one of those things. You guys want to see the reveal? Let's get her done. Here you go, 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Lifted with a 2.5-inch rough country leveling kit. Just a leveling kit, just the front end. We're hoping the front end's gonna settle a little bit. Had to do a little trimming to get these 35-inch Nitto Ridge grapplers in there. We're rocking the 20 by 9-inch black Rhino wheels with a -12 offset. And again, like I said, the Nittos are the Nitto Ridge grapplers, the 35 by 12.5-inch wide Nitto Ridge grapplers. And this truck, when I first saw this truck stock, I was like, eh. But now that it's got some wheels and some meat on it, man, I like it. Definitely hit these guys up here at the JP shop, Chester Springs, Pennsylvania. If you're buying a brand new Jeep, truck, whatever you're buying, bring it down here. These guys will get you taken care of. And you never know, I might get to film it. But I'm going to be doing a review on a new Gladiator very soon for Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. So stay tuned for that. What do you think?
I think it's awesome.
You think it's awesome?
I think you should get one or two.
No. No. Yeah, disclaimer, guys. This definitely is not my Jeep. This is a customer's Jeep. the customer picked these wheels and these tires, and the lift.
That's how they should come from the factory. Lift them all.
They should all come like this. I mean, it's pretty cool that you can just do a leveling kit and fit 35s on here.
Absolutely cool.
Yeah.
That convertible pickup truck.
A convertible?
Let's do that to yours.
No. What do you got there? But you just look at it, it looks good. Well, let me get out of the picture. Looking good. Another fine upfit from the JP shop. All right, back home, guys, back home. That lift, I believe, is the only lift available for the Gladiators right now, the rough country, and there's nothing for the rear. So just a heads up, that's at the time of this video. Down the road, I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of different options for the Jeep Gladiators. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next upload.